Hi, my name's Micah and we're here at Prestige Golf Cars. We're going to introduce you to the 2023 Club Car Onward 6-passenger model. The Club Car Onward is a fully loaded model coming to you with 14-inch wheels and tires. You're going to have an off-road lifted independent front suspension attached to an aluminum frame, front hubbed brakes, brush guard, and LED headlights, tail lights, brake lights, and running lights. You'll have an uncommon keyed ignition system. You'll have wet and dry storage underneath the first row of seating. Coming into the second row here, you'll have a ton of leg room. And under the second row of seating, you'll have the Kohler 14 horsepower fuel injected motor. Tons of power to get up any hill, and a 5-gallon gas tank that'll get you nearly 200 miles per tank. Coming to the third row, you're actually going to have your third row of seating as well as an optional utility flip bed, as well as a drop-in storage and an adjustable step on the back. So again, whether you're looking to take 4 people with all their stuff or drive 6 people around in style, the Club Car Onward is the model you need to take a look at. All right, we here at Prestige Golf Cars understand customizing your golf cart is extremely important. Some of the things we can actually do to customize your golf cart would be underglow. Again, we do use an LED pod system, again, to get that really nice light spread underneath the cart. On the back here, we can attach light whips. Again, they're a safety feature as well as really cool to look at. You have an under top glow system, again, an LED pod system to get that really nice light spread. Again, all of these light features are going to be able to be remote controlled. So pressing a button gets you exactly what you're looking for. We've also added a 4-speaker sound system. This is the Kicker 3-in-1 sound system. It's got a 480-watt amp as well as a 10-inch sub that's thin and mounted between the 2 back seats. Wrap that in custom interior, 3 rows of custom seats that you get to design, and you've got a perfect golf cart. So whether you're looking to do it all at once or one at a time, Prestige Golf Cars can make you the perfect golf cart.